I've got my sketch on my paper, and now I'm gonna put some of my colors in the palette. So I like to put my black and brown in the center wells so that they are separate from the other colors. And I may not end up using all of the colors that I have set out. When I record these, it's always my first take on the painting, and sometimes I look at something and I think, oh yeah, I'm going to use those colors, and then I don't. But I know I'll use red because there's lots of red, and I'll use the black and brown because there's lots of black and brown. Lately I find that I'm always using the same colors over and over again. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down the lightest of the reds. And this is a very, very red painting. There is a lot of red in this painting. So we're just making a really watery red. And basically we're going to paint everything that's not white with red. And then some of the stuff that is white, we're actually going to go back in with gouache and add it because the white detail is really fine. And I'm using my round 6 for this. We will go back later and we will add the really fine white detail on the presents and the strings on the bag later with gouache. But the areas with the really fine white detail, the areas with a lot of white, we are just going to avoid altogether right now.